This is a DENRAY Downdraft dust table. It's got all the holes in it, has a rubber mat top, filters. It's running right now, nice and quiet. It's a 110, 115 volt single phase machine. So it will plug up in any shop, no special power required. Has quite a bit of suction. Sucks the dust for sanding or holding your work while you're working on it. Really good suction on it. Low hour machine. Great shape. Has a switch, auxiliary plug if you want it for plugging in your sander. The machine itself draws about 13 amps to start up, single phase. It can be converted by rewiring the leads on the motor to 230 volt single phase. Uses standard filters that you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. And then if you turn it off, wait for it, open it up. It has a handy dandy little rod to hold it. Right now we just have some foam filters in there. There's many different filter mediums you can use. And then that's the actual suction fan down there. And that's her.